What's going on, everyone? This is the Ridgid 18V hybrid dual function inflator. Some of the key features that I noticed right away is that it is significantly quieter than previous inflators. It is also very compact, which is impressive considering that all of the accessories and connections are on board. It has dual power source or hybrid power source, which means it is powered by the 18V battery or a 12V vehicle power cord. So let's take this thing and put it into action.